Here I have Blackview BV9000 and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to select the settings and then go to use fingerprint. If you will not have it in suggestions, you will find it in this menu. So let me pick use fingerprint. Now there is a notification that you will be able to unlock your device just with this fingerprint. Tap on next. And you have to select the backup for your screen lock. So it can be pattern, pin code or password. Let me pick pattern. And now you can also require pattern to start device, but I will not do it. Thank you for that option. And it's time to draw an unlock pattern on or pin code. If you will select the pin code, I will draw the pattern. You have to draw it one more time to confirm. Tap on confirm. And you have to decide if you would like to see all notification content once your device is locked, or if you would like to hide sensitive notification content, or you won't see any notification at all. So let me pick the second option. I will hide sensitive notification content, then tap on done. And it's time to locate the sensor, which is on the back of your device. So it's over here, as you can see. And now you have to keep tapping slightly to add different parts of your finger. So just keep tapping. And that's it. As you can see, your fingerprint has been added. Tap on done. From now on you will be able to unlock your device just with a finger. So let me show you. I will just touch the sensor at the back, and as it didn't recognize my finger, I also had to enter the pattern, but usually you will just tap on this sensor and then your device will be automatically unlocked. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.